even you're just a founder in our group.
No.
Even though you're a founder in our group.
No.
You interrupt. Wait, just talk me first. Just let me talk. Just let me talk first. Alex was interrupt in our group. Right?
Why interrupt?
Because
Join. No,
Join.
not interrupt. That's a wrong grammar. You motherfucker, shut the fuck up.
fucking shit. But you know,
But I got
even though we met at a short time,
Yeah.
because Dan and I we met at a long time.
No.
You know, I am a third year in his a fourth year. We have bonding to each other. Right. That's why I treat Dan much longer best friend than you.
No,
But when I met you, wait.
When I met you,
When I met you,
I felt love at first sight.
wait. Shut up first. You vocalist, shut up first. We're talking the guitarist. But when I met you, I feel the same. I feel the same. Hug. You know, we're three of us was meeting before, right? We make our group SBA from the three of us.
What?
We
No.
we met.
Shut the fuck up.
Wait.
No,
let me
shut
finish
the fuck up. STFU.
Except you, but we meet our group in the same place.
Here.
Outside
the door.
Although I met you in a short time, but
You make fall in love with that?
no,
You want to butt fuck?
no, but I treat you as a best friend. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Wait, I worry about
Shut the fuck up.
I worry about your problem,
No.
and
Yeah,
you know
I
that
know you.
I know
You
you
care
know
for
that
others.
I can bear my friend where in a problem, but I can help them,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, right.
Although the time when I worrying you
Have no places to sleep.
left. Yeah, prop. Yep. You said I said to you that I'm worrying you, but what do you do to me? But even though that I treat you as a best friend,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Before. Cool. Even the other are mine.
Okay.
Wait.
Pause mo na.
Let me talk first. Because
Isang first lang.
Let me talk first.
No.
You have a chance to talk.
STFU. Sit down.
Down there. You know, two of us, we make a group. Because of why we meet in a basketball team.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
And after that we shot each other
Yeah.
and we made sprakataks.
No. After Sprakax, Mokalicious.
We made it in our house, in your house,
Yeah.
with 16 chickens, with eels. Right.
Massacred.
We massacred. But I tell you,
What?
if I am,
You, what you are?
if I am, have a best friend, I treat them as my own brother.
Yeah, good.
Right? You know that.
Yeah.
I didn't leave you. I didn't leave you in a
Sige na.
even if your problem is deep. I didn't leave you.
Yeah.
Even the difficult things
You text
happening
me.
to you.
No, you text me. But I'm worrying about you. Oh,
I hope you notice that.
Yeah.
I hope. No,
No.
there's nothing more.
I love you.
There's nothing more.
I
But
love you.
but you know I'm worrying about you, right?
Yeah.
Because
I know.
I treat you as a best friend.
Yeah. Oh, SBA.
SBA.
SBA. Long live.
You know, long live.
Long live SBA.
Even then, he
Sino doon?
Gago. Even then, she.
You know, answer me, motherfucker.
About his problem,
Yeah. Problem.
I'm always comfort him.
Yeah.
Why? All of you 3, but now we're 4. And now our 5. Dumating ang isa.
test it.
And,
Ang ina tulog ka na.
and now dumating ang isa. We're 5.
Relax na.
I treat you as a best friend.
Flex.
And you know that.
Lasing. No. Stop English. No, it's okay.
Lasing. Lasing.
Ay,
Word na word. Lasing na.
Words.
Word.
lang sasabihin ko, tol.
Ay mo si English eh.
Simple lang. One phrase lang. Yun, sige.
Yeah.
5 tayo.
No, that's not English, motherfucker. Step you. Sit down.
We 5. We met.
No. We 5. All of us 5. No, that's the wrong grammar, you motherfucker. You speak
We 5,
English.
guys.
You engineer?
Yeah.
Stupid English,
Yan
motherfucker.
yung sinasabi na,
You guys-
saying feathers lock us together.
We guys met.
Hindi ako mag-serve para si Mom. Later.
Alam mo ba, may kanta yung
Doon na sa kobe mo.
Tol.
Later.
Later, tol.
Tanga. Gago man like ano siyo pa lang problema ko. Ako na bis. Palag ko mo. Ako tingnan na lang ba dugyan na ginagamit. Tay tubig.
Tol, alam mo,
Tubig. Tubig. Lan. Tubig.
tol, alam mo, tol, shotgun. Alam mo, tol, may isang kata tayo eh. Sa isang buti tayo ng anak na simula.
Yeah.
Right.
Pero sa ito na.
No? Alam mo, tol, si Alex, tol, kahit tol, tol. Sabihin ko niya, tol, kahit, tol, Dan, makinig ka, Dan. Alam mo si Alex, tol, kahit minsan lang niya nakasabayan, tol, kasi babalik naman nila yan eh. Alam mo, tol, kahit minsan nakasabi sa Alex, tol, alam mo, tol, maganda kasama sa Alex, tol. Kasi madiskarting tao.
Lingkod na sa ba dyan, nagsisisaba kayo, nagkakanta ba? Ingnan, di ka ba na?
Mig, tingnan mo rin yung mga tao sa sabay mo. Tingnan mo.
Gani, sagday lang gani, ilang ko mo.
Bakit mo
Mata lagi
pasagdan?
na.
Friend mo
Mata lagi
yan.
na.
Friend mo yan.
Mata lagi na awa.
Mata. Yan ang sinasabi mo na ano. Kasi kanya pa nag-iinom. We understand him na kanya pa nag-iinom. Na nag-ano na siya. Kanya pa siya lasing. Tapos gipilit niya lang para magising, para magkasama tayo. Tapos,
No.
gipilit niya lang yan.
No.
Gipilit niya lang yan. Alam ko si Alex, kanya pa. Alam mo to, tapang to sa inuman, tol.
No.
Hindi mo ba basta magbubuhay sa inuman?
I have a word with you, motherfucker.
You motherfucker too?
If there's a drink, there's a drunk. There's the drunk.
Hindi, alam mo, tol.
the one that.
Hindi, tol, alam mo, tol, si Alex, tol, tol, matigas siya sa inuman, pero problema lang, tol. Ngayong time na to, nakainom na siya daan.
Like,
Alam mo, tol, yung time na,
wake up.
alam mo, yung time na sinibatan ko kayo, tayo 4.
Kayo.
Nakainom na.
Pero kailan po ito?
Hindi, 4
Pero kailan po ito?
kasama si Charles Darwin.
Ako, kato.
Uy, kami na ito nabili na ito.
Pero,
Sa kanya yan? Turuan mo nga ako paano yan?
wait, wait.
Panoorin niyo. Wait. Tulog. Chill lang. Chill.
It's the same, para, para yung same, yung same business.
Kaya ka lang.
Mukhang kala maging down nurse yung tol.
Dili.
Gusto mo yung sila namin. Kagayin ko pa.
Dili. Ako na mo ito.
Dito, sama ka namin doon.
Dili, ako na. Ilar mo na.
Tol. Alex, kaya mo ba, tol?
I can't do it.
I can't?
I can't.
With fish?
I can't.
I can.
No, I can't do it.
Huwag natin po ano ito.
Bigyan mo ako.
Halikan kita ngayon, ha?
Oh, no. Hey.
Alex,